Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another tutorial with the Conspiracy palette. So if you want to see how we get the look, then just keep watching. So I am barefaced right now because I don't know what this eye look is going to be. So I figured we should start with the eyes because I did have some fallout with the shimmery glitter palette or color last time. So I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on my lids, and I am going to set them because I'm not at the level of confidence to not set it. First shade we're going to go in with is Pigment, which is this baby pink. And I'm going to use that as the beginning transition shade. This is the Morphe M505 that I'm going to use. You know what? Let's do a halo. So I'm going to bring that all the way to the inner corner as well. I think I'm going to leave it at that for now. I'm going to go in with Not a Fact, which is like this, oops, purpley like maroony shade. I'm going to go in with that. Just slightly lower in the crease and on both sides. Like I said, I'm going to do a halo, so we're going to do it. We're going to focus it primarily on the outer corner, the inner corner, and then lightly bring it in to the crease in the center. And I'm using a Moda Pro brush. It's a BMX 466 shade. And I am going to be bringing this onto my lid towards the center, just not actually on the center. Now that I've kind of placed the product and buffed it just a little bit, I'm going to go back in with the first brush and the Pigment shade and just kind of blend the two together a little bit more. And I'm going to use this Pigment shade to actually buff the Not a Fact shade. And then I'm just going to keep going back and forth between those shades until I like the consistency. Consistency? That doesn't seem like the right word. Until I like the pigment and the blend, okay? I'm surprised how purple this is coming off. I mean, like I said, I can see the purple in the palette, in the shade. It just seems more on the maroon side than the purple side, but definitely coming across more purple on the lid. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the shade My Pills, which is kind of just like a pinky beige, I don't know what to say. It's just like a pinky, really light pinky nude shade. And I'm just gonna take this on a Morphe M514, and I'm just gonna use that shade to lightly blend out the edges, just kind of blend them in with my skin tone a little bit better to kind of clean it up some. Kinda gets crazy. Now, what do we want to do for the lid? Should we do Trisha? Whoa, bitch, probably not, right? Oh, do I want to? Do I want to? Do I want to? Ooh, what about Trisha? Ooh, that by itself is pretty. What does Trisha look like on top? Hold on. I'm gonna do this on my back of my hand to see what it looks like first. So I'm gonna take Trisha on the back of my hand. Okay, we have Trisha. And then I'm gonna take Diet Cola and put it on top of Trisha. It's kind of giving me like an iridescent purple. No, I don't want it. Okay, scratch that. We're just gonna do Diet Cola because it's stupid pretty. I'm not going to, should I? Ugh. All right, let's do it. I'm going to take a tiny amount of concealer because I don't want to actually cut the crease, but I think I'm going to put it down the center just so that the center part is the most pigmented, and then blend out that Diet Cola to the outer edges. I'm going to take this Luxie 141. It's just a round brush, but it's the only thing I have clean. And I'm going to take that and tap it in the center. And alright, I have way too much on this. And then I'm just gonna lightly buff it out a little bit. And I'm basically just gonna do that so that is the most pigmented spot. Alright, this is a Moda Pro BMX 402 smudger brush. So I'm gonna use that and the Diet Cola shade. And we're gonna put that on my lid. Fall out, fall out. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. And then I'm just gonna lightly tap it over to kind of start blending it, but I'm gonna go back in with the other shade to actually fully blend it. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used for the Not a Fact shade. I'm not gonna add any products, but I'm gonna use that to kind of blend and buff the edges together. Let me lay a little bit of concealer down underneath, that way I can do my under eyes. So once again, I'm just gonna take the same ColourPop concealer. Where's my brusha? Brusha, 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 musha, musha, musha. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's buff this out. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the Not a Fact shade again, the maroon. It's purple. It's purple, okay? We're going to take a flat tip finer brush. You know what? I'm going to actually do this. It's a little thick angled brush. It's from Aesthetica. There's no name. It's just an angled brush, but it's thick. And I'm going to take that so that I can have a thick line of that on my waterline or underneath my waterline. And we're going to connect it up with the top lash line too. This shade is really pretty. Alright, now let's go in with a small brush. This is a Moto Pro brush, a BMX 420 detail brush. It's just a small blender. And we're going to take the Pigment shade again. The pink, baby pink one. Not baby pink. We're going to use that to buff out the Not a Fact shade. Once again, connecting it with the upper lash. I'm going to take another Moto brush. This is the BMX 498 line brush. And I'm going to take the shade, my right is here. And I'm going to use that shade to line the upper lash line. See what like a subtle difference that makes? If you're not comfortable with black powder line and you'd rather do a liquid liner, you can do that as well. I just wanted it to be there but subtle, so that's why I'm using powder instead. I'm actually gonna add a little more. Okay, we're going to grunge this up a little bit more, and I'm gonna put a black eyeliner in my waterline. So this is the Julep Blackest Black. And I need a sharpener and I don't have one. It's like done, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, no we're not. Oh, that sucks. I really like this pencil. Okay, I can't find a sharpener, so do I have another black? Okay, I have one from Lancome. So this is Drama Liquid Pencil in Noir Intense. So we're gonna try this one. For being intense, you're not as black intense as the Julep I was just using. Actually, this one's not really wanting to stay in my waterline either. Okay, note to self. Don't really like that pencil that much. Alright, let's take... We're gonna go in with Ranch, this white, sparkly, awesome, amazing shade. We're gonna take that and highlight our inner corner and the brow bone. Oh yes, because it's on top of the pink, it's turning it pink, which is pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and the rest of my face off camera, film a second video, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. Oh, why am I orange? Hello, hi, how are you? Fix my lighting! Alright, I'm gonna wait. I'll give you a second. No? You? What if I turn the light up? Okay. I don't know what's going on with the lighting. But this is the final look. I went ahead and did my face and makeup. The face I did was actually using this collection for a holiday gift idea. That video should already be up, so if you want to see it, I will link it here. I don't know where it is. But for the lips, I have on the, and this is, sorry they don't make this anymore, it's the Estee Edit liquid liner and in the buff, but it's just kind of like a plummy nude shade. And then for the lips, I have by ColourPop and Kathleen Light collab. It's called Scorpio Moon. Yeah, that is what is on my lips. I don't know how I feel about the matchy-matchy. I feel like I did this in my other video. So this is the finished look. I hope you liked it and it was helpful in giving you an idea of what to do with this palette. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.